was that intro. Welcome back to another one of my videos. There is an outbreak at Chapter 1 that I thought I already cleared, but I guess there's another one. Let me go down here. Is there anything I want to do? Tricycle awakens? Let me guess. Tricycle's true form. Yep, Tricycle's true form. Growing yellow. There's Friday stage over there. Is there anything I want to do? No. What's fearless? Attack on W Cyclone? What the heck? Rope jump cat. Bruh. Well, it's an expert stage, so it'll be pretty good for me at the time being for where I'm at in this game. Let me see what I have as enemies. Alright, I'm on the wiki. Let's see. Where is it? Infinite Blue Sky, 7 kangaroos, 3 duchess, is a sloth, squirrels, autosmackas, dog shuns, a white cyclone, and then 3 more autosmackas. I don't think I can beat a cyclone. Should I try it? Let's see. I haven't even beat a single Dagshun, so I don't think I'm gonna play it. Well, let me see if there's anything else I want to do real quickly. No. Alright, well, I'm back in here. Is there anything else I want to do? Only summer break cats? Dang, I don't think I can beat that. It is 5 stars, though. 6 minutes left? Really? Dang, that isn't long. Attack on W Cyclone. It's gonna be forever until I beat that. Old guys about town only has 5 stages, so they're not too expensive. I already have Kung Fu X. I think each of them give you Kung Fu X. I mean, I already have him, so... Guys, if you have the Kung Fu X, then let me know if it's good, because I'd like to know. I'd like to know any cat that's good that I have. So, like, if I have a cat, I want to know if it's good. You know? If you don't, then... I don't know. I'm not going to judge you. Guys, look, that snatcher right there has an egg head. It's an egg. You guys are my egg minions watching this video. Anyways, that I have crazed bahamut already lol video is my most popular by a long shot. Maybe by tomorrow we can get it to 1,000 views. Especially because any kids watching my videos, I'm pretty sure there's like 2 of them, are off school. Like, I swear, if I check my analytics, most of you are like... I don't know if I should tell most of you guys my age, but what do you think it is, guys? Let me get Egg Hamid in. I don't know why I like egg. Alright, now let's get Egg Wonder. It does wonders. Day job equals boxers. What? Yo, get out of here. Money. Battle. No, you missed. Oh god, what's that? Penguin guy. Is he strong? He might be. What is this dude? That is not what Kung Fu Cat X looks like. What in the world are you? Bahamut cat should kill you. Alright, you're dead. What the heck was that? Come here, eggery cat. Alright, egg hummet cat, attack. You missed. Dang, bro, why are there so many enemies? Sends my units out. Send them out. Alright, their base is gone. I don't know why I did that stage. I don't need yellow cat fruit right now. Kung Fu X awakens. I wonder what its true form is. I can't beat an expert. At least not yet, I don't think. Old Guys About Town. Escaping the home. It still has that reward. Should I watch this ad? 98 energy, that's pretty good. I'm doing it. That was a minute ad from Sodiku. A minute ad. Escaping the home. What do you mean by escaping? Are you being tortured there? Ow! My base is getting hurt. That's a lot of squirrels. That's a lot of BB bunnies. Well, now that's not a lot. There's no more squirrels. What kind of name is that? Egg Hommet Cat, go. I don't really need you right now, except for the one horn. The one horn's the only thing I need you for. Please hit the one horn. Alright, you hit the one horn. I have like 300,000 XP. Should I use it to upgrade Egg Helmet? I think I should, but I want to know your opinion. I mean, I'm not anywhere close to Chapter 3 Moon. Bang. Destroy. What in the world are you? Alright, nice. Good job, you slowed him. Even though you didn't freeze him, you did something. Alright, Egg Helmet, don't get, you got knockbacks. Stupid. Boom. Bro, you're still alive. Alright, never mind, you're not. Maybe I might do attack on the W Cyclone. Dang, bro, that's a lot of enemies. Well, now that's not a lot. It's still a lot now, never mind. Don't speak too spoon. I said too spoon. What is my English today? Why are there so many of them? Alright. You gotta do this. I just realized it takes forever for all of my units cool down to end. That's bad. Look at how much XP I have. Old Guys About Town. 1, 2, 3. So this is the 4th stage, and I'm pretty sure there's 5 total. Yeah, there's 5 total. I don't know why I'm doing this. I think it's because I think that there is sturdy cat food and a leadership at the end of this. So I think that's why I'm doing it. Do you one-shot those guys? Let's see. You do not. So that means that this stage is not going to particularly be the easiest. Look, it's already kangaroo. Stop hurting. Alright, never mind, you're not hurting. Oh no, it's the wonder. It does wonders. Bang. Get wrecked. Must destroy those guys. What the heck is those guys? You missed the kangaroo. How do you miss that bad? Even Bahamut has a better aim than you. Dang. I'm sending out a bunch of sambas. Oh god. What the heck is that guy? I'm horrified. Get that away from me. Alright, go, my precious cats. Oh, you already got knocked back. Maybe you aren't that bad. But I don't know how many knockbacks you have. Egg Helmet, attack. Bahamut, I need you to attack. Can you attack right now? Thanks. Oh, never mind, he's already dead. Alright, nice, we're attacking the base. I can't deploy anymore. And I guess they can't either. Last stage. I don't know what is here, and I don't know what to expect. Barehanded brawler. Dang, bro, why is it so cold in my house right now? Ugh. What? Oh my god, it's so many of those guys. Seriously, bro? You had to send infinite those guys? Do you have to have so many? I'm like the cat CPU right now. All I want to do is upgrade. It's auto smack you. It's still an auto smack you. Nice, you one-shotted the auto smack you, Bahamut. I said that you might be bad, but now I regret it. You're my best unit. And I love you, Egg Helmet Cat. I can't wait to upgrade you to Awakens, Bahamut. Or I guess Egg Helmet, because he's an egg for some reason. I don't know what my obsession with egg is. I just like egg. I think it's funny. I'm Gen Z. Oh, I don't know what I am. I'm stupid. It's this guy again. Oh my god. It's an Autosmacky, that guy, and this guy again. What even are those guys? I'm gonna have to go to the enemy encyclopedia. It's a very buff Dachshund. And hope I can beat it. So I think I'll attempt the Cyclone level. Alright, nice egg helmet. I don't know if that was you. I think it was. It's an Otta. Otta smack you. Alright, I think I got this in the bag. Nice bahamut. I didn't get anything. Alright, whatever. Enemy guide. Tries really hard to be human. Oh wait, I already read that description. Master A. Knows all the dirty stuff. His friend from middle school admire him call him master. Dating experience is 0. I found the Otta smack you. Where's the Otta smack you? Earn a nickname by ganging up on their target with a literal smackdown. Holds the keepsake of their ancestors. Just a normal rock. I know that I have this in my encyclopedia, but when did I fight an angel hippo? I don't remember ever fighting an angel hippo. I said hippo. Oops. English, oh. I don't have it. It's a bun. It's a metal hippo. It's metal, by the way, if you didn't know. It's a Doge Dark. I thought it was Dark Doge. It's Doge Dark. I didn't clear it? Oh my god. I didn't clear it, and I thought I did. There's only 5 stars, though. And there's 6 levels. Okay. I've got you. You belong in Heavenly Tower. This background I'm talking about, of course. Nice. One-shot those squirrels. Ow. No. And it's just a little squirrel bite. Oh, never mind that. Those are not squirrels. Those are black dogs. Oh, God. Egg helmet! Save me. You literally only got one of them.
Nothing.
Finish him.
So don't worry about
He's done. Oh, look, it's another black dude. Oh, God, it's that guy. It's that egg guy. Bro really has an egg head.
I want to play with my friends.
Why do you have an egg head? What?
Are you still making a video?
Yes.
How long is that video?
18 minutes so far, sorry.
It's got a long one.
For me, it's pretty average. I make videos that are way too long for people to enjoy. But at least I'm making them. You missed by 2... Bahamut, you missed by 2 seconds. That isn't even proper English. Obliterate them. Obliterated. Egg helmet attack! Ha! Got him! It's this guy again, but with 2 of those guys. I didn't find them in the enemy encyclopedia. I wonder what these guys even are. This looks like something Bahamut Cat needs to deal with. And luckily, there's a conveniently placed Bahamut Cat right there. Bang! Bahamut with the finish. I don't know when I finish this battle, which is practically over. Old Guy's About Town is still not cleared? What? Dang, bro. I wanted to do that cyclone thing, but I'll have to... it only has 5 hours left on it. Could I have just like another minute?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm not sure if it'll be exactly another minute. Alright, attack on W Cyclone, more like L Cyclone. Oh, it's O Fortuna. I haven't heard that in battle yet. That's new. This is an expert stage. I don't think those kangaroos are weak. Unfortunate, because my base is weak. Or O Fortuna, because my base is weak. Enough with the stupid dad puns. God, no, you're gonna do it. Stop, leave me alone. I guess I'm the L Cyclone. Oh, yes. Send out meat shields. What? Okay, that actually worked. Alright, that worked. See, I told you guys that they were an L Cyclone. Oh god, what are those? Hopefully they're not too strong. Their DPS is very good, and they can survive an attack from my Uber. But can they survive an attack from Bahamut? It's the Cyclone and the Sloth. I know that the Sloth is really strong. It's a Cyclone and it's 3 dash-ons. This stage is gonna be hard. But it is expert rated. Oh no! You do that much damage? Holy guacamole! Why do you do that much? You didn't even kill it, Bahamut. Well, I'm screwed. That just shows you how strong Cyclones are. I bet you it would one-shot my base. So I should probably get this guy out. Yeah, he one-shotted my base. What was that? What in the world did I just experience? 88% on the Cyclone. Cannon stage peerless. But didn't I just do that? I'm gonna fight the outbreak real quick and then I'm gonna wrap up the video. There's outbreaks everywhere in Empire of Cats right now. Oh, the treasure festival is on. Except it's only 5 hours. Alright. I'm gonna get this zombie corn. Zombie. I like zombies. Except I don't like zombies. Look at that. That's clearly an egghead. That is an egg. That is a sideways egg with a face. I swear, you cannot tell me that is not egg-shaped. Look at it. That is egg. It is egg that can bite. It is very bitey egg. Don't worry. He doesn't bite. Does your egg bite? No, he doesn't. The egg. Except you do bite. Low on storage. Be back. Alright. So now that that's out of the way. My first evolution had to, of course, be a burger. So American. When you miss. It's literally just a GG. GG. Oh no. Attack! Attack as a killer egg. Don't ask me about it, okay? I don't know who made it. It was me. Nice. Not nice. Zerzeel. Destroyed. Also destroyed. Super destroyed. Overly destroyed. Egged on. I'm sorry, bro, but you just got egged on. Like, look at this poor little egg helmet. You better not. Come on, you idiots. Go faster. I've got something to do. Besides play Battle Cats all day. Even though I like playing Battle Cats. That's not the only thing I want to do. I literally beat Bun Bun. All because of Samba. Alright, well, I just cleared that. Well, I think I'm done with today's video. Because I think it's way too long for anybody to enjoy, and I accidentally went to dashboard. Perfect. Well, I'm done anyway. Thank you guys for watching. See ya, nerds.